I'm frustrated that our workspace users can and do delete chat messages. Is there a setting to prevent staff from deleting chat messages? I know you can force history to be saved, and you can certainly retain messages using Google Vault, but can you prevent staff from deleting chat messages? The best place to look for any possible settings in your workspace account is, of course, in the admin panel, and the easiest place to find the right setting is to search. So I'm going to go and look for our chat settings just by searching for chat, and that's at least going to get me to the right section here. I'm going to click up one on the breadcrumbs. This is called a breadcrumb menu. We go to our settings, and inside our settings, we've got all the settings for Google Chat. So let's go and have a look. So this is what I was referring to here. History for spaces, that's your group chats, and then history for chats as well. So history is on, allow users to change their history settings. So that's the one set here at the moment. If you wanted to, you could force history to stay on for everyone. It seems like I've unticked the ability for people to change it. So that means history is stuck on for absolutely everyone in the business. However, that doesn't allow people to, well, it doesn't stop people from deleting messages. So that's a kind of weird one, actually. I'm wondering what the purpose of history is if you can delete messages. Maybe this is a relic from when this used to be Hangouts. Anyway, create history state. History is on by default. Okay, cool. There we go. So there are history settings. Do we have anything else? So when history is on, choose whether messages should be auto deleted, whether after a set period of time. Okay, so if you want to, you can enable auto deletion of messages. Well, that is very cool if you're concerned with privacy. You can choose to have messages deleted after a period of time. Keep in mind though, if you are really doing anything like nefarious, this is unencrypted chat. Somebody can subpoena Google easily and get access to all of this stuff, especially if it's in Google Vault, you're handing it over. If someone wants to surveil you or your company, do not put anything in Google Chat. Expect that this can be read by anyone and everyone and act accordingly. But anyway, you can choose to delete stuff. I don't know why you might feel more comfortable with that. Here we go. So file sharing invitations, external. Okay, it does not appear that we can restrict deleting messages here, but what we can do is we can configure Google Vault. So Google Vault, which is at vault.google.com, and you do have to pay for this. You need an extra license, and that means upgrading to the Business Plus plan or above, recommended if this service is of interest to you, for financial services, legal, consulting, medical, health type practices. I say this is pretty much mandatory because this saves your bacon if you ever get sued by someone or you need to, substantiate advice given by your staff or your doctor or whoever else. Anyway, inside Google Vault, I can choose what kind of data I want to retain in my business. Myself being a pack rat and having lots of space inside of Google, we keep everything indefinitely. And that is my recommendation if you are any kind of business that may need to rely on data in the future. How Google Vault works is it takes data that comes into your business, whether it's a file, whether it's an email that's come into a mailbox, whether it's a chat message, and it saves a copy of every single one of those messages in the vault. Imagine message comes in, carbon copy gets taken, Google puts it in the vault. And that means that even if somebody deletes an email, a chat message, or anything else in the Google world, always going to be a copy in Vault. Now, this is a great feature, not just for snooping, because of course, hashtag I'm not a lawyer, but you should probably check your employment contracts if you have the right to surveil your staff, just putting that out there. But what this is really great for is, if you do ever get sued and you need to, comply with a data request or a subpoena or anything like that, if you accidentally lose something or make a change or an edit, it's not really a backup solution. It's not going to keep a million different versions of the files, but it will keep a copy of effectively each asset that lives in your Google Drive and lives in your, your mail and your chat. And this saved our bacon one time because my business partner, Scott, sent me a long message that he had typed out full of inspiration and he sent it off to me, but then he made a mistake. He was trying to click the edit button on the message and he accidentally clicked delete and the message disappeared. And it was gone. And he was really, worried about it because he just spent half an hour typing up this message with all of his inspiration to me. And what I was able to do was to go into Google Vault and it actually captured his original message. And then it captured immediately after when he deleted the message. And I was able to cut and paste the original message back to him and the day was saved. So Google Vault is a great tool, great feature. Even if someone deletes a message after it's been posted, you're still going to have a copy in Vault, which is really nice. If you've got a staff member that you suspect is doing the dodgy, if you've got a legal issue, if you've got a customer who says, someone sent me an email from 9 months ago about blah, blah project, and now I want to sue you, right? You've got the ability to make one search here and it will bring up data from every mailbox right across your inbox. Now, let me try and do a search that's not going to expose too much and show you how this actually works, because it's very cool. So we have retention, we have matters, and then we have reports. So matters are where we define a set of characteristics where we want to run a search. It's called a matter because this is kind of typically used in legal situations, right? So a matter would be a matter of hold. You then have the reports menu, which I don't know exactly what this is for. There aren't any domain holds. Okay, I assume this is if you're not retaining everything, choosing to retain just certain things. Anyway, we retain everything. That's the easiest thing to do. Okay, so if, for example, I say, hey, let's go and have a look at this Canva search. I assume this is going to help me search for all emails that have come from Canva, or maybe I could look for all mentions about Canva in chat. But for now, it's probably safer I go to email and let's search all data right across the company for all accounts. And I'll leave the date open and I'll say canva.com. That's the easiest thing for me to do. And search. Now, I'll do that without my screen showing just in case anything weird comes up. But that's running a search and it took like 2 seconds, right? 2 seconds. Here we go. Okay, wonderful. Cool. So we can see here, Peter received an email, which looks like a marketing email. Gypsy received an email. She got shared a document. Lauren received an email. Someone was requesting their approval on a document. There we go. So we've got lots of different options for emails right across people's mailboxes. Very, very cool. I love Vault because it basically gives us like a get out of jail free card in a way if we need to quickly get access to something right across the Google ecosystem. And me being a pack rat, I like to have a copy of everything. We're in the situation where in IT, someone might say, hey, 18 months ago, you changed one setting in my Google admin panel and now it's caused us to lose business and we want to sue you. And we've actually had things like that happen. So for us to be able to go back and say, this is the email, this is what was advised, this is exactly who sent it, this is what was sent or not sent, this is what was said on chat about it. If our staff member has left the company and we've got to work out and piece together things from 18 months ago, this is a very handy tool for that. So if you haven't yet considered Google Vault, go ahead and check this one out.
If you need more help with what we've covered in this video, itGenius provides support services to businesses all over the world with problems just like this. Click the link below to get started.